Alright, just got this big box in the mail. Got my buddy Mike here.
How you doing?
And it's funny, Mike, I ordered this on eBay. And the place I ordered from is like a half mile down the road.
No kidding.
Yeah, so I probably paid maybe $25 to have it shipped down the street.
You don't want to go in that part of town anyway.
Yeah, it is. Well, I don't know about that. I'm not that close to the ghetto. But anyway, here, let me see if I can find your razor blade.
I got one right here.
You got one? Okay. Open it up.
Alright, let's see what's inside.
This is going to be a real quick project. We might be able to do this tonight, Mike.
Oh, yeah?
I think the kid's coming over too.
Huh.
So you guys will like this. This is for Road King. I don't know if I showed it to you, but what was it? It must have been about a year ago. I picked up one of them traveling bikes that bends in half, so you can put it in the trunk and everything. And now in New Jersey, they just legalized these electric bikes, so you can have an electric bike legally. Before you couldn't. So I bought the front hub, Mike, so we won't have to mess with the
front hub.
Yeah,
Okay.
we don't have to mess with any. Plus, it was more expensive to get the rear wheel.
Oh, so you can still have your pedals if,
Right.
you get into a bind.
Right.
Okay.
If your batteries die.
Okay.
Here's a pack for the batteries, but I don't think we're going to use that.
This is it right here, huh?
Yeah.
Wow.
Is there a controller or anything?
Yeah. I took it
Oh,
out
jeez,
already.
Mike.
Oh, man.
Don't do that to me.
Yeah.
All right. Here's all the controllers and stuff like that, and then here's going to be our.
Here, let me get this out of the way.
Okay.
They gotta keep watching the video. They can see that.
I know. There we go. Yeah. You see, they actually, they got the batteries hanging from the rail. But I think I have a thing on the back, Mike, for the batteries.
Has some weight to it. Doesn't feel like it's.
Yeah, no, it's not cheap.
Yeah, no. Huh.
Looks pretty well made.
It's got a power lead there. All right, let's open up all the goodies yet.
Yeah.
See what's inside. Oh boy.
I guess I open out the handlebars. Here they are. Yeah, I bet you have hand grips. Huh. So that's everything there, the controller.
The throttle.
And the brake.
Brake?
Yeah.
That's interesting. So I guess it's got two brake handles. Peculiar.
It's got everything but instructions. Oh, here, instructions right here.
Is this a charger built onto this too, or do you need an auxiliary charger?
I don't know if that's spelled right, Mike. How do you spell installation? Installation.
No, it's not.
Install. Here's the installation manual.
Well, this is the DC Moto controller by Lithium Battery. Huh. Okay.
By
Brakes,
lithium.
low level, booster 1 current 26, give or take an amp.
This is supposed to be.
The speed.
All right, 36 amp.
What's the
It's supposed to be 750, whatever that was. Watt? Yeah, watt, I think.
750 watt. Well,
Yeah.
that'll probably be on the motor. I don't know what this is capable of. You have to figure it out. 26 amps at 36 volts. How many watts is that? So then you could figure that out. What do you got in here? Some instructions.
Destructions.
And some zip ties, a wiring loom,
And a
a
bungee.
bungee cord. Okay, this is interesting. Well, let's look at the instructions, huh?
Okay. Alright. Yeah, the last show me and Mike were at, I picked up some batteries, so I think I got 10 of them. And these are bigger than the normal size. I think these are from a hospital out of a defibrillator. I think they change them every 6 months regardless if they need them or not. And these batteries last a couple years. Of course, I think in our 4-cylinder we've had one in there for about 5 years now. Not that we use it all that much, but let's see what they are. They're 12 volt, 12 amp hours. Ampere hours, whatever they call them. But they should be plenty. We'll use 3 of them, make 36 volts, and Who knows? Maybe we can put 48 on there and see what it does. All right, let's go get the bike. All right, we're back here in the shed. Looks like I bought new wheels for that, new tires for that. Mike never put them on.
No tubes?
Well, it looks like them tubes are working good.
Uh-huh.
You know, at first look, Mike, them wheels are pretty skinny on this thing.
They do.
Even them forks. Might have to do some modification here, buddy. Oh well. Won't be the first time, right?
Nope.
All right, well, let's bring it in. We'll see what we have to do with it. All right. At first glance, we're looking at this, and it looked like it was going to be too narrow for the wheel we got. Hold that other wheel up, Mike. That thing's pretty wide. I even bought new tires to put on this, but the rim itself is a little wider. But I think we might be able to make it work, Mike, if we spread that.
Yeah.
Yeah. Hey, you know what? While you got that in your hand, just for fun, stick it in there. It's not going to fit because we don't have it spread yet, but yeah, you got the room on the bottom. Yeah, you got room on the bottom.
Mr. Ward's got the, or
And
Mr. B's got the idea.
We just have to try and spread it. And we got help. We got Daddy Dirtbike over there. He's got 2 pipes. We only have to go an inch, buddy. We don't have to go a foot. And then look who's there.
The tubes.
Supervising. All right, so we're going to spread that and see if we can make it work.
All right.
If not, we'll figure something out, right?
Right.
All right, these guys got it on there, and seems like it might work. So let's put a tube in this thing and see what it looks like. See if I might have to buy another tire for that. I don't think so. Because it's only a bicycle, right, Mike?
That's all.
All right. All right. Yeah, it went on there, and it's spinning nice and everything. So we'll be all right. Let's see if we can put some juice to it. Let's put some batteries on and some handlebars and keep going.
Right.
Yeah. Let's see where we're at here. We got the front wheel on. Mike's firing this. He's got the brake on. This brake just actually shuts the engine off so it'll coast. Got the throttle on. And what is this thing, Mike? They call it a controller?
Yeah, just a motor speed control.
Motor speed controller. We got that. We're going to mount our batteries back here. Just temporary. There's some, I guess, duct tape them, huh, Mike?
Duct tape, zip ties, ratchet straps.
There you go. There you go. Well, let's not get carried away.
Okay.
All right. Okay, where are you going with that?
Well, I'm going to go down the handlebar around the frame here, and then this is just the brake cutout and the speed control. So it's got to go to the control box there.
Yeah, it's moving along good. You know, I wasn't too optimistic when I seen that big ass front wheel, but now things are looking good.
Okay.
All right, keep going, buddy.
All right.
Okay. Yeah, you got the batteries hooked up. It just happened to have a little luggage rack, and 3 batteries fit really nice. We only have them duct taped on here, but they're duct taped on there pretty good, huh, buddy?
Okay for now.
Yeah. It's not even good duct tape, it's garbage tape, but it's gonna work. Alright.
You got a meter there, buddy? Let's see what our combined voltage is. Now that we got them all.
Yeah, I checked these before Mike hooked them up, and they were all above 13 volts. So let's see what it is.
$39
Alright, so that's good. 39 volts. And it's only supposed to be 36, so it'll be okay. Yuasa. Pretty good battery, buddy. Alright, we're just about ready to go outside and take it for a ride. I think I might let the kid over there take it for a ride first, in case something happens.
Oh, you want to lift the front wheel up while I connect this?
You don't know.
Okay,
You might go full bore.
We got the wrong.
No.
We needed
You did it wrong.
we need a male terminal on this side.
Oh. Alright, let's see if we can find another bullet connector. Alright, we're ready to plug it in. Let's give it a smoke test, Mike.
Alrighty.
Okay, that's normal, right?
Yeah, it's probably just charging up a cap or an inductor or something in there.
Okay.
That's just a little bit of initial current. So go ahead and turn it on. What do we got?
Okay, we're on.
We got full power.
Full charge.
Alright.
Let's give it some throttle.
There you go. Wow.
Sounds pretty cool.
Yeah, we got to fix that front tire. It's a little wobbly.
Coast's nice.
Yeah. Huh. Okay, that's cool. What do you say? We're gonna take it for a ride.
For a spin.
All right, we got our test pilot here.
Let it rip, Tater Chip.
Whoa, whoa! Now he's pulled a whole shot. You should have given him a helmet. Look at it. Ay, ay, ay. Yeah, wow. He's doing what, 40 mile an hour? Look, he's all the way down the block already.
Really see him already.
Where's he at? Here he comes. I can't hear him coming. Wow, man. Look at him move.
The vibration from that front wheel.
No.
It's vibrating.
It'll probably work its way out.
That one.
Uh-oh, here comes a car. Car zigzagging out of the way. Alright, sorry about that. I think my batteries died. So it might have stopped abruptly. But what do you think about it, buddy?
It's pretty good. It goes.
That's cool. You know, it don't look all hacked up either, considering we just threw this together. I mean, once we tuck them wires in and make a little battery box and everything, that thing will be clean looking.
Yeah, it's clean.
We didn't even put the handlebars back on, little hand grips. That's good. Did Mike try it yet?
Nah, take it for a ride.
Go ahead. Look at this.
Just watch out.
Go get him a helmet. We can't let nothing happen to him.
If you're turning around, don't give it full throttle because the tire wants to come out from under you. You feel like going around a turn, yeah. Pedal to get started.
Yeah, all right. Save
Yeah, there you go. Look at that. Looks like a circus bear. He's taking it easy. I don't blame him.
We know how he is.
He is. It's all right, next time we see him, look at him flying past here, we won't even see him. Here he comes. Look at him. Well, that's quiet. So used to everything having a loud engine on it. Look at that. That was worth the money.
Threw out on that 26 too. Nah, I'm never gonna get my license.
I think Road Kid needs to give it a try.
Let me try it. Let me try it.
Oh man,
Yeah.
it pulled nice.
Let me give the kid the camera.
Got it, buddy.
All right.
Mike, the battery's back there.
The weight doesn't. Oh yeah, you can feel it's there.
Start pedaling to get going, old man. You know how to do that.
It's like riding a bike.
It's the first time he's been on a bike in about 50 years. What is that? Squeak.
That's the motor making that sound. I don't know if it's the drive, if it's slipping. You know what I mean? I don't know how that motor operates. If it's like a variable frequency thing or like a pulse width modulated signal. But I think it's just you're hearing the drive frequency of the pulsing.
How's it feel, buddy?
I like that. I wonder what kind of torque it has for in the grass and stuff.
Try it in your front
Oh,
yard.
good idea. Somebody's got to mow this lawn. Yeah, Mike. Go through there like nothing.
I can just see you at the shows now.
Oh, man.
Remember, that's not a break.
I know. Back coaster.
Yeah, it's funny when you're going that quick. The coaster brake doesn't do it.
Let's try it, Daddy. Go ahead.
You want to?
Look at that. This ain't a Harley.
Sure.
Get your phone. You might need to call 911.
I'd be curious to put an ammeter on that while you're riding.
Hope he
Oh
sees
boy.
his car coming. Look at him. I bet he has one next week.
You know what? While we're still out here, let me grab my ammeter. Let's see what that motor's like.
I like it.
All right, Mike's curious. Mike wants to check the amps.
Yeah, I want to see if there's any way we can. Well, it'll kind of give us an idea of how long the battery is going to last if we can get a meter on it, and we can see like what the maximum current draw is. So, can you lift the front wheel up, Bill, and give it some throttle?
Ready?
Yeah.
Tell me what it is, Mike, because I can
we're
barely
on
see
voltage.
it.
Here.
Oh, there we go, amps.
Okay, so stop it. Go throttle.
What's it say, Mike? Because I'm getting a blurry
Well,
meter.
it's 1.7 amps right now, but it's not driving.
It's not under load, yeah.
Turn it off, Bill.
Totally turn it off?
Yeah.
Alright.
So I'm getting current here, but a negative current. That's strange. Maybe let's try it on the. Turn it back on.
It's on.
Okay. Lift it up. Give it some throttle. That's peculiar. Let's get 2 wraps through here. Probably not. No, probably through here.
Doesn't leave yourself enough wire to do that.
No. That's okay. Go ahead and
Take it for a ride.
yeah. Go ahead and take it for a ride. And,
Does it got a memory?
Well, I have it on min-max, so it should catch the highest and the lowest current draw. So go ahead and give it full throttle too at some point, just wide open. Try to load it up as much as you can.
If you lose that meter, just ride over it.
Yeah, don't do that.
Listen to him. Let's wheel it out with that. I didn't think it had enough power. Listen to him.
Really to see how long that motor lasts. That's pretty cool. It wasn't, that batteries didn't feel bad back then. Yeah, I thought you'd really feel it when I pointed this way.
.28 amps is your max that you're drawing. So average is 8.5 amps. So that's good. With that, you can get an idea of how long the batteries are going to last. So if you're drawing 8.5 amps and you have what 12 amp hours of capacity there,
Right.
you can calculate and figure out how many hours of average speed you can get out of it. So
All right, that's pretty cool. That's fun.
so
All right, what do you say? Enough of this guy? Nah, he wants more.
I like it.
All right. What do you say, Mike? Enough of this?
all right.
Thanks, buddy. Another engine night, man. We always have fun. Oh, look at this. Remind me to buy a new front tire. Here you go. Here's some extra footage. Let's see some. Look at them wheeling out. Wheeling out on the lawn. Come on, buddy. Look at him. Full throttle.